Hello everyone and welcome to a new video in our channel. In today's video I will show you how to add link to your TikTok bio in a simple way. Before watching the video, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. So let's start. We go to the TikTok app and open the app. We must go to our account. And just a little reminder, to add a link to your TikTok bio, you must have a business account. To change your account, your normal account, to a business account, you must click on the three dots in the top of the screen and then go to manage account, and in account control you must find switch to business account. You can't see it now because my account is already business account. Then we go back to our profile. You must click edit profile. After clicking edit profile, you must see all those options, and in those options you will find an option called website. You click on it and write your website URL. For example, I will type facebook.com, and after typing the URL just click save, and then you see edited your profile. We go back, and as you can see now there is a link to facebook.com in my TikTok profile. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to click on the like button. Also subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.